హాయ్ నమస్కారం. ఈరోజు మనం సేల్స్ ఫోర్స్ గురించి తెలుసుకోబోతున్నాం. ఫస్ట్ టాపిక్ ఈజ్ వాట్ ఈజ్ ద సేల్స్ ఫోర్స్. ఏ సేల్స్ ఫోర్స్ ఈజ్ ఏ క్లౌడ్ బేస్డ్ సాఫ్ట్వేర్ కంపెనీ that provides a suite for customer relationship management tools and applications. It is one of the most widely used CRM platform. CRM means customer relationship management, and enabling business to manage their relationship with customers, clients, and prospects more effectively. A Salesforce is known as for its easy to use, scalable, flexible, making it suitable for business for all size from small startup to large enterprise. It is a cloud-based natural allows users to access the platform from anywhere on any device. Salesforce is a cloud-based customer relationship management software. So it is supported to all small size companies or large size companies. It is very secure and scalable and flexible. And key features and functionalities of Salesforce and customer relationship management CRM and Sales Cloud, Service Cloud, Marketing Cloud, Commerce Cloud, Analytics Cloud, Apex Exchange, Einstein AI platform, and platform means Salesforce platform. And advantages of Salesforce: security and data privacy and mobile accessibility. In case అంటే మొబైల్లో యూజ్ చేసుకోవచ్చు, ప్లస్ ల్యాప్టాప్లో కూడా యూజ్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. Enhance customer service, automation of process, scalability, customization and flexibility, cloud-based solution. And next one is, what is the customer relationship management? CRM means customer relationship management. It refers to strategies and set of practice and technologies used by business to manage and analysis interaction with current and potential customers. The goals of a CRM is to improve business relationships, enhance the customer satisfaction and drive sales growth. And CRM systems help to companies store and manage the customer information and track customer interaction and automate various processes and related to customer services, sales and marketing. And key features of customer relationship management: customer data management, sales management, marketing automation, collaboration, customer service and support. Benefits of the CRM: improve the customer relationship, increased sales, enhanced the efficiency, better customer retention and data drive decision. Improve the customer relationship. By keep tracking of customer interaction, business can offer more functionalities and responsive services. అంటే వాళ్ళకి రెస్పాన్స్ అవి క్విక్గా ఉంటుంది, బాగుంటుంది. అలాగే ఇంక్రీజ్ ద సేల్స్ అంటే ఇంక్రీజ్ చేస్తున్నాయి సేల్స్ని. అండ్ ఎన్హాన్స్ ద ఎఫిషియన్సీ, ఆటోమేటింగ్ రొటీన్ టాస్క్ అండ్ లైక్ ఫాలో-అప్స్, రిమైండర్స్ అండ్ కస్టమర్ communication helps business save time. Better customer retention and data drives decision. Best CRMs: Salesforce, HubSpot CRM, Zoho CRM, Pipedrive, Microsoft Dynamics 365, Copper CRM. Yeah. Thank you for watching.